Hello guys, welcome to a new video from the channel. This time we check how to watch Netflix in different countries. So let's start. First let's go to Netflix, and as you can see, well, I'm here on netflix.com. If you want to log in, just sign in and you will find here your write your email address, your password, and then just sign in. First you have to check, of course, that complete your subscription, that but also the content from Netflix change from different countries. In my case, the country that I'm here is for Mexico. So if I want to change the country here, you can use a VPN. What is a VPN? A VPN is a way to change your IP, and in that way you can change the country for your device. In this case, for your computer, you can change everything. So first, you have to go to NordVPN. NordVPN is a way to download the VPN. If you use NordVPN, you can unlock shows from anywhere, you can play games anywhere, and the best part is safely. And with our partner link in the description below, you will get a special discount. The link always down there, so check it out. You can check here on the web page of NordVPN. You can see all the features. Is a best VPN for you, I think so. And well, you have to only click on the link in the description below, get the discount, and when you register, then let's go to login. Here on login, you have to log your email address. Let's go out in my account. So here you write your email address, as you can see, and then write your password that you're registering. Just log in, and when you do it, you will find your principal page. Then let's go to the left side, and let's go to the part that says NordVPN here, and then just scroll down, and let's go to the part that says manual setup. Just click here, and let's suppose, well, I'm here right now in Mexico, as I told you. Let's suppose that I want to see the content from United Kingdom. So just click there, just scroll down, and let's go to the country that says United Kingdom. Okay, just click here, and now you can see a bus of VPN that you can connect in. When you do it, just set up the configuration here, and then just try to open again Netflix, and your country will change. Of course, maybe you can select another account, or maybe you can register a new account, but the country will be this one. So that is how you can do it, guys. Only you have to click in the link description to get the NordVPN discount. When you do it, just try to open Netflix again, and that's it, guys. Well, guys, I hope this works for you. Thank you for watching this video. Remember to subscribe. Don't forget to give us thumb up to this video, and don't forget to give us thumb up also if the NordVPN works for you. Thank you for watching this video, guys. See you in the next video.